Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Finished Object Friday. I thought I had a lot to share with you today, but I looked around and it's finished object singular, so it'll be a quick one. Do you want to see how I wanted it to be or what it is? Okay, let me show you what I wanted it to be. Doo-doo-doo. Can you see that? I wanted it to be like a Werther's candy, but I tried really hard. I even used different yarn for the ends, like for the wrapper bits at the end. It looked like I had nice yarn and then I just threw it in acrylic. Like I ran out of yarn or it was like super pretty and then I quit. So I had to use the same Glamour yarn. Eyelash Dazzle, there's a link down below. I love it, it's my new favorite yarn. But it's really floppy. It's really soft and really floppy. So then these cute little ends, look, they look like a little desert cactus. Wouldn't that be like one of those flowers on a cactus? You know what I mean? So cute. So I was like, well, that's really cute. I could make a cactus instead of a candy. But then I was like, what if we just tip it down over top, right? And I make like a capsule. Who remembers those TV commercials from, I want to say the 70s, but what was it? Was it Contact C? That 24-hour time release capsule? Check it out. That's my version of a Contact C capsule. Minus, you know, it doesn't meet in the middle, but I still like it. And it's like a totally good, what do you call it, bolster? Yeah. So this is about 1.5 balls of gold and a smudge of pink and probably a ball of the green for the ends. I stitched one end together. This end is stitched together. I just kind of wove yarn in and out and like cinched it shut and then poked the yarn in. And this other end, I just tied it on the outside with a loopy knot. So I can pull it out and it'll open up on this end to release the cushion inside for washing and the rest of it. I don't know if I'm gonna actually pin it down or just kind of leave it as a, you know, changeable cushion for the sofa. I don't know. So it's kind of, oh, the other thing I could do, I was thinking about, you know those bathroom poofs, the scrubbers, you know, you can buy at a Dollar Tree or a dollar store, just to put one in the end to kind of like hold out the candy wrapper end, right? If it was in this kind of matching color, we could totally throw one in there and that would hold out the ends enough to look like a bit of a wrapper. See what I mean? It's pretty big, right? Anyway, that's my finished object. I'm saying it's finished because I'm moving on to the Tammy Lethbridge sweater for breast cancer awareness. I've already frogged it. I'm not talking about it right now. I frogged it. I put in too many stitches, so I put in 200 stitches front to back. So I had to frog, well, I chose to frog it and start again with 160 stitches. Because 40 stitches every row, if you don't need to put in 40 stitches every row, that's a lot of stitches. So that one is frogged and getting worked back up. And when that is finished, I will go back to working on my dazzle, my eyelash dazzle. So that's what's up in the Yarnery today and what is finished this week. Thanks for inviting me over and hanging out, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay hooked. Got alive. I have 8 minutes and 4 seconds. Boom! Nailing it. Uh-oh, I didn't do the hair. That's bad. Oopsie, sorry.